Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says for any real number alpha and beta, let y of alpha beta x belongs to real number, okay? Be the solution of the differential equation this. So, we have this as the differential equation. We have to solve this, and differential equation satisfies this condition. Let S is a set in which you have y of alpha beta where alpha comma beta belongs to real number, okay? Then which of the following belongs to the set S? So we have to judge which of the following function belongs to set S. So for that, first we have to solve this differential equation which look like this. We have dy by dx plus alpha y equals to x times e power beta x. Now look at this. So the idea is like we have to solve this differential equation. So how we will proceed, try to understand. So first I will try to apply variable separable method. So do you think you can apply variable separable method? No, you cannot segregate x and y because they are like you cannot segregate them in terms of product. Okay, you cannot factorize them. Now, what is the first filter of variable separable method? That is, the first one was dy by dx equals to function in x. It's not. Second filter was dy by dx equals to linear by linear. It is not. Then we have third filter. If we have x dx plus minus y dy, then we can respond accordingly. We cannot create x dx plus minus y dy. So variable separable method is not the process by which you can solve this differential equation. So you have to think differently. So the idea is the second filter will be like we will try to apply if it is applicable or not. The second filter was linear differential equation which look like dy by dx plus here we should write y and then here we should expect function in x, function in x, which is clearly true. Then we can solve this situation. Now how we will solve? We will be writing e power, wait, we will be writing e power integration px dx is equal to e power integration px dx. Okay, then we have y, then we have q of x. Now whole integration we will do. Now look at this how we will approach. So the idea is, alpha is a constant, so you will be writing y times e power alpha x is equal to integration x e power beta x e power alpha x and then dx. Please reorganize this thing. So e power alpha x is equal to integration x times e power alpha plus beta x dx. So this is the function and we have to respond accordingly. Means if we will do the integration, we know how to handle this situation. So my point is like it truly depends upon this function. Suppose we will have e power 0, then we have to integrate x, and if e power anything, then we have to apply partial fraction, means we have to apply integration of uv. Okay, now so I feel that we will create two situations, means two cases. The case number 1 will be case 1 will be alpha plus beta equals to 0. If it is 0, then we will respond. How we will respond? We will understand. So suppose alpha plus beta is 0. So we will have in LHS we have already did everything. So y e power alpha x, and then is equal to, the power is 0, so we have x dx. So we will have x square by 2 plus integration constant c. Now we have to find out the, now for case 1, this is the function. Now we have to find out value of c. So how we will find value of c? We will find value of c by using this idea that the curve is satisfying 1 comma 1. So look at this, 1 comma 1. Now x is 1, y is 1. So can I write e power alpha is equal to 1 by 2 plus c. Now let's update this situation. So can I write y e power alpha x is equal to x square by 2 is, and then plus e power alpha minus 1 by 2. Okay, now if you'll observe, they are writing f of x, f of x, f of x, f of x. So we will be writing y only. So can I write y is equal to x square by 2, and then I'll be writing e power minus of alpha x plus e power alpha minus 1 by 2 e power minus alpha x. Okay, so this is the integration we did. Now look at this, how we will be writing the final thing. Now we'll compare with the option. So if you observe, first thing is x square by 2. So look at this, x square by 2. Yes, we have x square by 2 over here, x square by 2 over here, but we want e power minus x. So e power minus x is only possible if alpha is 1. Correct? So put alpha as 1. So can I write y will be equal to x square by 2 e power minus x plus e, sorry, we will have e minus 1 by 2 e power minus x. So according to this, I feel that the first part is the answer. Okay. Now, if you'll observe the option 1 matches. So this is the correct option. Okay. Now let's upgrade. So we will have like the idea is now we will go with case 2. Okay. Case 2 is what? Alpha plus beta is not equal to 0. Okay. So if alpha plus beta is not equal to 0, then how we will integrate? So you will apply integration by parts. So ILATE, ILATE. Okay. So exponential function should be the second function. Okay. So look at this. We will be writing y times e power alpha x. Now first function integration of second function. Okay, then this is dx. We will have minus whole integration differentiation of first function, and then integration of second function. Okay, now let's do the integration. So we will have x e power alpha plus beta x, and then alpha plus beta minus, here it will become 1, you will have integration 1 and then 1 more time. So you will have e power alpha plus beta x, and then you will have 2 times alpha plus beta ka element and plus integration constant c. So this is the idea. So y e power alpha x. Now we have to find out the integration constant c. So for that, what we will do? You know that it passes through the point 1 comma 1. It satisfies 1 comma 1, no? So I'm using again that same thing. Okay, we did nothing. One time we have taken alpha plus beta as 0. Second time alpha plus beta is not 0. Now look at this, what will happen. So we will have e power, wait, we will have e power alpha is equal to e power alpha plus beta upon alpha plus beta, है ना, minus e power alpha plus beta upon alpha plus beta whole square plus c. Okay, now let's upgrade everything. So in place of c we will be writing the value this. Okay, rearrange and then write. So look at this, what will happen. So we will have y times e power alpha x is equal to x e power alpha plus beta x by alpha beta minus e power alpha plus beta x upon alpha plus beta whole square. Now in place of c I'll be writing e power alpha minus e power alpha plus beta upon alpha plus beta, and this thing will go that side, so it will become plus. So e power alpha plus beta upon alpha plus beta whole square. So this is the idea. Okay, now what I will do, if you will observe, everything is carrying e power alpha x, correct na? Here you will have in numerator e power alpha x, e power beta x, e power alpha x, e power beta x, e power alpha. We have here, we will have e power alpha. Okay, here also we have e power alpha. Okay, so like we have to do some, we will take something common and then we will do factorization. Okay, so I'll be writing y e power alpha x is equal to e power alpha x e power beta x, and then we will be having alpha plus beta, wait, and then we have x minus 1 by alpha plus beta. So this is the first idea, and then plus e power alpha I will be taking common. So we will be having 1 minus e power beta alpha plus beta plus e power beta, and then we will have alpha plus beta ka square. Be patient, okay, have patience. You're about to get the answer. Now what I will do, to find out function, we will divide both side by e power alpha x. So this thing will vanish and we will have e power alpha x. Okay, now we have to take some value for alpha and beta. Now look at this, you know that x for x square a is correct, so option b is wrong. Now look at this, we want this thing x square by e power x by 2 x minus 1 by 2. So we will try to create e power x by 2, and then let's see what happens. E power x by 2. So look at this now, x minus, yes, x minus 1 by 2. So look at this, if we will take alpha plus beta as 2, we will create that situation. Okay, so what we will do, let alpha plus beta as 2. Okay, so how we will make 2, and look at this 2, so you understood that here you will have 2, but with x plus x minus 1 by 2 you want e power x. So how it is possible? It is only possible if beta is 1, that is alpha equals to 1, beta equals to 1. You can have infinite combination, okay, because they are real number, you are not restricted. So look at the final result. So we will be writing e power x by 2, and then we have x minus 1 by 2, and then we have alpha is 1. So we will have e times e power minus x, and then we have 1 minus e by 2 plus e by 4. Correct? Now let's simplify things. We got first part, probably this option is correct. Now look at this situation. So e minus e square by 4. So look at this. What we'll do, we will simplify both of them. Okay. So you will have 2, and then this denominator will become 4. So you will have 1 minus e by 4. Okay, and then e inside. So e square e power minus x. Yes, e power minus x. Yes, we have created the function. So x minus 1 by 2, and then e power x by 2. I hope the idea is clear, and this type of question is required to practice. If you are preparing for advance, this is must do question. I hope you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.